Your Sacred Self by Dr. Wayne Dyer. The true definition of self awareness is discovering your higher self and living joyously with that higher self in command. You realize that everything that shows up in your life has something to teach you. You appreciate everything and everything in your life. You will shift away from the noisy life and seek silence. Prayer and meditation should be the integral part of your life. You should develop your awareness that you shift from personal desires to the question, how may I serve? Everything that irritates us about others can lead us to an understanding of ourselves. Wayne Dyer mentioned about ego is nothing more than idea that each of us has about ourselves. That is, the ego is only an illusion, but a very influential one. The ego is a mental, invisible, formless, boundaryless idea. It is nothing more than the idea you have of yourself, your body, mind, soul, self. Ego as a thing is non existence, it is an illusion. Entertaining that illusion can prevent you from knowing your true self. Ego is wrong that attempts to present you as you would like to be rather than as you are.